Are you tired of manually exporting Volusion customer data into Klaviyo and missing out on automated email revenue? Connect them in under 4 minutes with 7 simple steps. We'll walk through the entire integration, from opening the integrations menu to connecting your store. Follow these 7 steps in order. Start by clicking on Integrations in your Volusion admin, where all your connected apps and add-ons live. Now, hit Explore Apps to open up the marketplace where you can browse and search for new integrations. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Volusion to narrow down the available options. Then click on the Volusion result that pops up to view its details. Once you're on that page, hit the Install button to start the integration process. Next, you'll need to add your Volusion credentials so Klaviyo can securely connect to your store. Finally, click on Connect to Volusion to finish things up, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.